beautiful.
When somebody said mature trees to me, I didn't know what they were talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but you know, so that's good. That's good.
No, I love it. And the primary bedroom
Mm-hmm.
with this view.
345.
Every day you wake up, that's the
345. That's all I can say.
That lemon tree just got him.
Oh, okay. Let's go check it out. So they got it right here. They got the lemon tree. Right here, guys. You probably don't realize, but this is a trampoline. Yeah, it's a trampoline. I'm probably gonna break my knee. Let me get off. I'm afraid of everything. I'm afraid of everything that can break my knee at this point. So then you got this little area back here, and it's real cozy. It's real cozy back here. And you got this whole area back here. And then earlier we were talking about showers. And so you got an outdoor shower right here. So you can just come over here after a long day, pop on the shower, and there you are. And believe it or not, you might not think much of it because you might be in the US or somewhere. But here in South Africa, that's it. That's it. A very nice outdoor shower. Okay, so I'm walking back around, and I'm gonna walk back through the house. But she was talking about the mature greenery, and of course there's a garage. Sit by the pool. You got an area where you can put your fire, have your fire going, chilling with your friends. And of course, if you turn the pool on, it has a water feature on that wall. You can't tell. So let's walk back through here. But again, it's happening. It's happening here in South Africa. What's back here?
It's 3-2.
Back here. Oh, all the linen closet. It's a nice one and a nice mirror. Make sure I look like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we have fun. Yeah. Another bedroom, which we like. This is pretty cool. And then there's a bathroom, which works out pretty well. And it smells good in there. Yeah, I like that. And then, you know, people like to have certain fragrances. So when you go shopping sometime, they are selling you these fragrances that you can have in your house because the wind blows a lot. And so you probably can figure it out from that point. Yeah, everything is here. And of course, I showed you all this earlier. Walk out to this garden area. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. So 345, and then you have a skylight. Let me show you this skylight. This house has a skylight as well. So it's not bad. 345,000 US dollars. 345 US dollars. I'm gonna keep saying it, people, because they keep asking, how much does this cost? So I just say 345 USD. Yeah. Hey. Then you got a scullery. Don't be trying to hide. Don't be trying to hide. Make sure you say hi to the people. Hi. Say hi to the people. Thank you. Where you from?
From Eastern Cape.
Eastern Cape.
Yes.
Oh, we like Eastern Cape. What, Quinu?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that.